Hi, this is Joanne Marie Rumford in Port Huron, Michigan, and I'm doing this video in my apartment, and it's after midnight on Monday, December 29th, 2025. It's a little bit past 1:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we've got a big wind out there right now. The last time I checked, it was 57 degrees Fahrenheit. It's still cold, and it was 94% humidity, and the winds were 15 miles per hour from the southwest. So I'll take you out there now. There's the time right there. Now you could probably hear the wind blowing. There's a street light there. It's kind of dark, so I'm just doing this video to pick up the sound. It sounds like a freight train. I don't know if there's ever been a tornado in Michigan during the winter time, but it seems like if the wind picks up any higher than 15 miles per hour, it's going to be a lot of damage weather-wise. So here I am, low, and like I said, you can't see very much. There's the patio light, the patio, and that's looking east. My garden flag is gonna blow off the roof here. Couldn't see anything. Oh well, it's dark out. So I'm just doing this video so you can hear the wind. Now it's quiet. You can hear it really loud in the apartment too, the wind. Street light again. Now it's kind of quieting down, the wind. But like I said, I don't know if there's ever been a tornado in Michigan or any state during the wintertime in the northern hemisphere. Actually, are we in the western hemisphere or the northern hemisphere? I'm not sure. Because Michigan, the Midwest, so in the colder climates, I wonder if there's ever been a tornado. And today is December 29th, 2025. You can hear the garbage is going to be picked up tomorrow on Monday, and the garbage containers are all flying down the street, so the garbage. So, but you can't see much out there. There's my Christmas tree. I don't know if you could pick up the sound of the wind inside the apartment here. I've got Julius covered here. He's sleeping, just went to sleep, so got him covered. He might be on his swing still. Let's see. Are you on your swing? Yep, he's up there on his swing. Hi, Julius. He's up there on his swing. Let's hope, Julius, the power don't go out. I couldn't sleep because of the sound of the wind outside. And I don't see how Julius can sleep either with this wind. Go out there one more time. There's the wind blowing harder now. See, the burning bush shrub there is moving, shaking. See my garden flag over there flying. Looks like it's going to come off the pole there. Okay, this is Joanne Marie Rumford in Port Huron, Michigan, and today is Monday, December 29th, 2025, and it's going on 1:40 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, bye now.